हाँ जी, calculate debt equity ratio. We had discussed about debt equity ratio, beta.
Yes, sir.
So debt equity ratio equals to, tell me. Yes, beta. Debt equity ratio means, what is formula of debt equity, beta ji?
Debt by equity.
Debt by equity. Right, beta? Anu, debt by equity is a debt equity ratio. So tell me, out of these all, what are debts and what are equities? What are debt and how you will find out it?
So current liabilities, sir, long-term borrowings. So
Means here it's given fixed asset,
yes,
accumulated depreciation, okay. Non-current investment, long-term loans and advances, it is an asset, right, beta?
yes, sir.
This question we had solved already. Current asset, current liability, long-term borrowings and long-term provision. These two are debts, right, beta? So debts equals to 4,20,000, right, Arvind? Plus 1,40,000. We had solved it or not?
Yes, sir. We have solved it.
We had solved it. So total value will be
5,60,000.
5,60,000. Yes. Arvind, are you here or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And for equity, what we will do? For equity, we will draw our balance sheet, right, Butaji?
Yes, sir.
For equity, what we will do? We will draw our balance sheet. So let me draw it. Yes, beta. So first will be fixed asset. We will write here. What is value of fixed asset? 8,40,000. Right, Betaji?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Non-current investments.
non-current investment. So non-current investment. Anu, beta, are you here? 14,000.
Long-term
Long-term advances. These are also assets. So
Yes.
long-term loans and advances. Here advance means asset, right, beta?
Yes.
56,000. What else? Tell
Current
me.
assets.
Current assets. What is value of current asset?
3,50,000.
3 lakh.
50,000.
Just a minute. 3,50,000. Current asset is 3,50,000. Okay, ji. What next?
Equity.
What next? No. Then here we will write long-term borrowings and provisions, right? So long-term borrowing and provisions. Total value is 5,60,000, right? Hanji. Huh? I'm adding these all values and writing at one place. Okay. Then fixed asset, accumulated depreciation, where we will write, beta? Accumulated depreciation, we will write at liability side because it is provision, just like a provision. So 1,40,000. What next?
Current liability,
Yes, current liability. What is value of current liabilities?
2,80,000.
2,80,000. So please add all. Add these all. Please add these all values. It will be 5,6,7,7,7,2. 9,80,000. Deduct it. You will get your value. Tell me net value. It will come 2,80,000, beta. Shareholder fund balancing figure, please tell me. Who is going to answer this? Bhai 350, 50,000 plus 60,000, 70,000. 70,000, 50,000, 1,20,000. Right, beta?
Yes, sir.
1,20 and 40, 1,60,000. 1,60,000 and 3 lakh, 4,60,000. 4 lakh and 8 lakh. 4 lakh and 8 lakh. 12,60,000. So
Oh.
12,60,000 minus beta. Please deduct it. Minus. Arey bhai 560 plus 10, 6, 6, 1, 7, 7, 2, 9, 9,80,000. What will come? Tell me. Yes. Here it will come 80,000. Why you are not replying fast? Here it will be 2,80,000. So shareholder fund is 2,80,000. I am solving it second time or third time now. So your shareholder fund will be beta. Shareholder fund equals to 2,80,000. Yes. So please put these values on debt equity formula. So it will be 5,60,000 divided by 2,80,000.
2 is to.
So it will be 2:1. Any problem? Any problem? Hanji? No. Okay. Next. It is good na beta? Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Few things I have to. One sec. It can go here. So question number 42 now. I'm solving here. Question number 42. Hanji. When debt equity ratio is 2, this question also I had solved. If your debt equity ratio is 2, it means what beta? It is 2:1, right? Hanji. So
Yes,
tell
sir.
me in this ratio, or we can write like this. So your numerator is more or denominator is more?
Numerator.
Numerator is more, right? Okay. So tell me in first point, sale of land. What beta? Sale of land. What is value of sale of land? You are selling land for 5 lakh rupees, right? Of 4 lakh. So tell me, if you are selling at 5 of any land value 4 lakh, so you are getting profit or loss? Yes. If an asset of 4 lakh, if you are selling at 5 lakh, there will be profit or loss? Profit of 1 lakh. So where you are adding profit? You will add in debt or equity?
Equity.
Equity. So tell me, your numerator is increasing or denominator is increasing?
Denominator.
Denominator. So tell me, your ratio will increase or decrease? Yes. Yes, beta.
Decrease.
Yes, decrease, right? But your voice is very slow, too slow. Any problem, beta? Any
No, sir.
problem? No. Issues of equity share of the purchase of plant. So purchase of plant, there is no means you are issuing shares for purchase of plant. So tell me, if you are issuing share, issue of share means what beta? Debt will increase or equity will increase?
Equity.
Equity. So
Equity.
what is increasing? Numerator or denominator?
Denominator.
If denominator is increasing, then tell me your ratio will decrease or increase?
Decrease.
Decrease. Yes. Question number 3 of 42. Issue of preference share for redemption of 13% debenture. Here, your equity is increasing, right, beta? And your debenture means debts are decreasing. So tell me, your equity means your denominator. Your denominator is increasing, and your debts means your numerator. Your numerator is decreasing. What will be impact on your ratio?
It will decrease.
It will also decrease. Right, beta? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? You all are getting what I am discussing here? Any doubt, beta? Hanji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, beta. So next 43 number question. Question number 43. Your debt equity ratio is 0.5 divided by 1, right? What is meaning of debt equity ratio? Debt divided by equity or equity divided by debt? Hanji?
Debt divided by equity.
Equity, right. So now issue of equity share, first point. Issue of equity share. What do you mean by issue of equity share, beta? Issue of equity share means there is no changes in debt, only changes in equity. Equity is numerator or denominator? Tell me.
Denominator.
Denominator.
And if you are issuing means your denominator is increasing.
Increasing. Yes.
So tell me your ratio is increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing again.
Yes. Very good. Any doubt? No.
No, sir.
In second case, please tell me what will happen. You are receiving cash from debtors. Cash from debtors. So debtors are what? Current asset, right, beta? And cash is also current asset. So there is any change in on debt and equity?
No, sir.
No. It means no changes. Right, Anu beta? These questions are, I'm again solving these questions, right?
Yes.
Yes. Redemption of debenture. Right, beta? Debentures are what? Beta ji? Debt.
Debt.
It is debt. Debenture means debt. Okay. If debentures are debt means what? It is numerator or denominator?
Numerator.
Numerator.
Numerator. And what happening here? Your debt is increasing or decreasing? Tell me.
Increasing.
If you are paying debenture means it's increasing. It is decreasing.
Decreasing. Sorry,
Yes.
sorry.
So what will happen if your numerator is decreasing? Your ratio will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease. Yes. Any doubt, Anu? Any doubt, beta? Anu, beta, any doubt? No answer. Anu, any doubt? She is here or not? Yes, she is here. Arvind, beta, any doubt?
No, sir.
Karthik, any doubt? Karthik Babu, any doubt? I think no.
No.
Okay. Okay, ji. Give me 1 minute, please. Okay, what next, beta? What next? Next, purchase of goods on credit. So what will happen? Tell me. If you are
Debt will
purchasing
increase.
goods, so your
Debt
stock
will
means current.
increase.
No changes, beta. If
No
you are
changes, sir.
purchasing on purchasing goods on credit means your current asset is increasing, and your creditor means current liability is increasing. Means there is no any change in debt and equity. Creditors are what? Current liability. Current liabilities are not debts, not at all. So no changes. Okay. Are you getting it, beta?
Yes.
पक्का ना? Any problem? Any problem, beta?
No, sir.
Pakka.
Pakka.
Okay. So now I am going to next point, right? Next question. So what is our next question? Next question, beta. Next question is when your debt equity, again, question number 43, 44. Your ratio of debt equity. What is your ratio, beta? Your debt equity ratio is 2:1. So, and first condition, your first condition is issue of fresh share. What will happen? Explain me this condition. Anyone? Your ratio will increase, decrease, or there will be no changes. Explain, beta. Explain this ratio, this condition.
Sir, I think no change, sir.
Why you are thinking there is no change? May I explain it? Beta, if you are issuing share means what? Your equity is increasing or not?
Yes, sir.
So if equity is increasing means what? Tell me.
Denominator is increasing, sir.
Denominator is increasing. It means your ratio will decrease or increase.
Decrease.
So why you are saying there will be no changes?
Sir, I think it is issued for cash, so I thought confused.
What do you mean by cash? Share is
Current
being
asset.
issued, na? Shares are being issued, na?
Yes,
Your
sir.
equity is increasing, na? Means your denominator is decreasing. If your denominator is decreasing means what? Sorry, your denominator is increasing means what? Your ratio is decreasing, right?
Yes, sir.
Why you are going here and there? Okay, second condition. Anu, are you getting, beta? She is not replying. Okay. Message me. Conversion of beta?
Debentures into equity shares.
Equity share. Beta, this is best na than that format on which I was teaching.
Yes.
You all will. So you are converting your debenture into equity. Debenture is debt na beta. So your debenture is coming down and equity is increasing, right? Right, beta? Debentures are debt means this is numerator. Numerator is decreasing and denominator is increasing. Tell me, your ratio will increase or decrease? Yes.
Can I repeat it again?
Your debentures are decreasing. If you are converting your debenture into equity, so what will happen? Debenture will increase, decrease, and equity will increase, right?
Yes,
Means your
sir.
numerator is decreasing and denominator is increasing. So tell
Then
me what will happen?
it will decrease.
Yes, it will decrease. Right? Okay. Next question. Next question. Third question. Sale of fixed asset at profit. So see here, means fixed asset is understand it. Fixed asset is decreasing. There is no impact on debt and equity. But yes, if you are selling it profit, means what? Your equity will increase, right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Equity will increase. So tell me, if your equity is increasing, so tell me your numerator is increasing or denominator?
Denominator.
Huh?
Denominator.
So what will happen? Your ratio will
Ratio
increase.
Ratio will decrease.
Sale of asset at profit. Now you all are getting it, what I am doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it will decrease. Okay. Fourth point, purchase of fixed asset, no impact on long-term deferred payment. Long-term means it is debt, right, beta? It is debt. So it means your debt is increasing. Debt means what, beta? Your numerator or denominator?
Numerator.
Numerator.
If your numerator is increasing, then what will happen?
Ratio will increase.
Ratio will increase.
Yes. So in fourth condition, ratio will increase. Right, beta? See here, payment to creditor. Creditors are what? Long-term debt or short-term debt?
Short term.
These are current assets. So no changes, right? Any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
In debt, we are only considering long-term debt, right? Current liabilities, we are not taking into consideration. Okay, ji, done. So any problem, beta? I think no. Yes. From the following balance sheet, calculate debt equity ratio. What a simple question, right, beta? Right? This is equity, right, beta? And this is debt, right? So here, question number 45. We have to find out debt equity ratio. Debt equity ratio means debt divided by equity. So your debt value is beta?
2,50,000.
Very good. And what is your equity value?
2,40,000.
Huh?
3,40,000.
Why
See,
3 lakh 50?
12,40,000,
10,000 plus 2,40,000. Add all.
12 lakh 40,000.
12,40,000.
Yes. Put it in your formula. So it will be 2,50,000, 12,40,000. So what will be answer? Please find out it. Anyone is calculating? Anyone is calculating, beta?
Yes, sir. Calculating, sir.
Yes,
Do
sir.
it. Please do it. It is 0.201 is 2. Or you can also write 0.20 is to 1. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
So solve now all questions. These
Yes.
till 45. I'm ending it. Join just after 2 minutes. Okay, beta? For accounting classes only. Huh?
Okay,
Hello.
sir.